Get in the car.
Yo, Yaadvybz. Yaadvybz, how you going? You can come to the police station and attack you. We're not the car silent. Okay. You don't say no, Yaadvybz.
I will talk
How
right
you
now.
move, someone? Yo. Yo, Yaadvybz. So, Yaadvybz, how you going? So, yo.
Do not touch me.
What happened?
Don't touch me.
Alright. How you move, so? Yo, what your problem? Yo, family like the car, you don't want to talk.
We gotta
Wait,
talk.
we're gonna talk
We
about.
gotta talk.
About what?
The day when you got arrested, who was that chick?
That girl? I never know her. Yo,
You don't know her?
Yo,
No, you told
what?
me.
Yo, Mr. Come by the jail, man, take out my
I
clothes.
don't care. I want to talk now. Who was she?
Oh my God. I don't know her.
So she just come. Excuse me.
Alright, let me tell you the truth.
No.
What happened? What happened?
No.
What happened?
No. Oh, now you want to tell me the truth. So you mean to tell me she just come to the house with the police with her face all beat up, and we don't know her, and she just say, "Oh, it's you," just like that?
A crazy girl like this, that girl is psycho.
All right, so speak. Start talking.
Alright, let me tell you what happened. Alright. Let me tell you what happened. You see that girl, eh? Alright, let me tell you what all of this started because they don't believe me. Let me tell you how this shit go. One day I'm in the office. She come in and say she want a job. Alright, so me say, well, her resume. She give me a resume. When she give me a resume now, somebody tell her, say, me read her resume and I say, yo, you're not qualified for the job.
Okay.
And she say, okay. I find out so she just start getting messing up me. Yo, me never know. Me never touch a girl. I never touch her.
So she beat herself up.
Obviously, me don't know somebody else beat him up.
You think I'm gonna stand here and believe you?
Jesus, peace.
So what happened? She's psycho now, right? She's psycho.
Obviously, because she come in at the house. After she come in at the house.
She came in the house.
You remember when she come in the house?
Oh, so that was her.
Yeah, that was her. Addition.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then find out so everything start, for me not give her the job, everything start turn left.
You know what, baby? Go be it. Alright? Go be it.
Come on, come on, you there. Come torment man like about that. Look at that crazy
Come on,
man.
work on beard.
Yeah. Whew. There's the cook. There's the cook. There's the why she calling?
Crazy bitch? Oh, that's her?
Yeah.
So she's crazy bitch with the heart eyes emoji and then ha emoji.
You know you said she's
What's
crazy.
up, ha?
You come up and set up again, man. Me just come from jail. Made
I look like an idiot. What was her name before this? Why the hell is she calling?
I don't know. I didn't know that she.
To call back?
What may I call her back first?
Oh, she's calling.
Yes, answer her, bro. We never know if you that girl.
Come on, answer. It's her phone. Come on now, she knows you, don't she?
Yo, what you want?
Babe, you're home.
Oh, what you want for me?
Look.
What? Me?
Look, bitch. Call back this phone again. I'ma find you and I'll fuck you up. Understand me? Delete it.
Alright, yes. Yes, she a call back. Yes. Handler, can you do this again?
You telling me to handle her, but you.
Yeah, me say come out of jail because me.
Listen.
Me say me that jail. Me mind not run upon you. Me mind not
I'll
run
make
upon
her hear the whole conversation. You was at an interview with her. She comes to the house all beat up with the police, and you didn't do nothing with her. Do I look like a fool?
Me may not just talk about this already, man.
What are you laughing for?
We just
What is
talk
the
about
joke?
this.
Shut up. What is the joke? You want to share it with me? The bitch hang up the phone. Let me tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
Let her call back one more time. You will give me that address, and I will be over there, and I'll drag your ass with me.
Hold on. What the hell is going on over Oh shit. Babes.
So, what you gotta say for this?
Baby, tell us like girl like crazy, you know,
See that
babes.
shit? Dude, prison bay.
What the frig?
Let's fuck.
Yeah, babes.
Get over here.
Babes, I could go down shit.
Jailbird. Oh yeah? Let's fuck again.
Yes, man.
Let's fuck again, right? So you didn't do nothing with her? Tell me again. You do nothing with her?
nothing.
You do nothing. So explain this. Fuck everything else. Fuck everything else. Explain this.
Yes, I like that, babes. You know, see, I like that.
So she does a crazy psycho bitch that decides that actually knows where we live, comes to the house all beat up, and just what? Got you arrested for no reason?
Yes, you know, see, yes, I never know what you said. Because I don't know what that.
Did you fuck her?
No.
Look me in my eyes right now.
What, babes?
Look me in my eyes.
Yes, son hot, babes, son hot.
You can't even look at me. I don't give a fuck about that. Look me in my eyes and tell me you're not fucking.
Yeah, we ain't fuck, babes. We ain't fuck her.
You can't look at me straight in my eyes though.
Son hot, son hot. Babes, we never fuck her. Yes, yes, yeah, man. Yes, can't wipe her, babes. Hold on. Can't wipe her. Yes, can't wipe her, babes. You see? Yeah, come on, yeah.
I don't care. I don't care. Give me the address so I know where the fuck you know where she
Yeah,
live.
I don't know
Don't
where she
be
live.
going over there.
No, I don't know where she live.
You don't know where she live?
They not working now.
No, we doing this. You don't know where she live?
No.
Let me tell you something.
What?
Give me her address so I know you know where the fuck she live at. Or I'll fuck the both of y'all up. You understand me?
Alright, Maggie, this.
She will get fucked up today.
Yo, this is crazy, yo. Like, oh, shit. Yo, babes, what you in there, though? Babes. You know, this is how you got the button now. Jesus, everything is over with. Where you got the button?
Give me the address.
Babes, what address?
Give me the address to her house.
Babes, you get yourself in a trouble.
Give me the address to the house.
Babes, you get yourself in a trouble. You know, say that girl is crazy, babes. But now you go over there and do nothing.
Let go.
Babes,
Let
just
go.
give me button now, babes.
Let go. Let go.
Alright, you want the address?
Give me the address,
Alright.
or else I start with you in here.
Alright, 255. Pan it off. What do you do? I go sleep.
Sleep where?
Babes.
I'm sorry. Wait. Sleep where?
Jesus Christ.
You coming? Get dressed. Let's go.
Babes, me not come over there so with you.
Get dressed. You have your hat on. Change your pants. Let's go.
Me not come over there so, man. Go do your thing. Babes, me don't want that. Me and that girl have no police. Me have to see him. Me have to do fifth.
Shut up.
Babes, me
Shut
see-
up.
Babes, me don't
Shut
want.
up.
Alright, baby. Me can't go see you.
Go and
Yes.
dress. Change your pants and let's go.
Babes, me can't go over
Change the pants and let's go.
there. Babes, listen now. Listen.
I don't want to hear shit.
to me, police.
Change your pants and let's go.
Yes. Think me I'll get in that trouble. You can't go now.
Hello. Let's go.
Babes, me can't go. Me have to stand 12 feet from him each time I see her.
Change your pants
Alright.
and let's go.
Jesus Christ. Alright, babes, me up. Me up.
You thought this was a game? Hurry up.
Babes, me up, me up. Babes, me tell you something.
Open the door.
Babes, me can't get me now go back
Open.
Me now go back to jail. You can't go to jail. Me now go back to jail.
Yo, open the fucking door. I'm not joking. I'm going to her house and you're coming.
You know, go on.
Apparently you've been there. Let's fuck again, remember?
Me say go on, me now come, go on.
open the fucking door.
Yes, we can't go over the police coming up to see her.
Alright, no problem.
Wait.
What a bitch! Who's coming to my house?
Wait, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get up!
Okay, stop.
Get up!
Stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Oh,
Please, I'm
is that what
pregnant.
you said
I'm
when he
pregnant.
was inside of you?
I'm pregnant. Okay, if you must know. I'm pregnant. And I'm pregnant for your husband.
Excuse me? What did you just say?
I said I am pregnant for your husband. So the next time you try to come into my house and push my door open and pick locks without a warrant, okay? Because you're not a cop, okay? So which means your ass is gonna go to jail, okay?
You think I give a fuck about you being pregnant?
Wait.
Did you tell him wait when he was inside of you?
Stop. Wait, I can't move. I can't breathe.
You were the same woman at my house who asked to use the bathroom in my house?
Look, listen.
I could care less about you listening. I could care less about you listening.
I'm pregnant. I'm
I care
pregnant.
less about you listening.
Oh shit.
Come back to my house again and I'll fucking kill you. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Come back again and I'll kill you.
I'm sorry. Oh, shit.
Get up! Get up!
What happened?
She's pregnant?
Huh?
She's pregnant?
Who?
She's pregnant. Oh, you don't know who?
pregnant?
You don't know who? 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 You gotta get the fuck out of my house now!
Babes!
Get up!
Babes! What happened?
Get out!
Babes!
Get out! Now!
Babes!
Get out!
What happened?
Get out! Get out! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Babes!
Get out! Get out! Get out of my house!
Babes, I'm pregnant.
You don't know who's pregnant?
Oh,
You don't know who's pregnant?
I'm pregnant.
Oh, you gonna play stupid?
Huh?
You don't know who's pregnant? That woman that claims you beat her up and got the police for you is pregnant.
You with me?
You the only one I knew who's inside of me.
No.
I'll throw you down these fucking stairs.
Babe, no better, babe.
Get in contact with her because she's having your child and you're gonna spend the rest of the life with her. You're not gonna spend the rest of your life with me. I want a fucking divorce and I never want to see you to fuck again.
Alright.
Go. Hurry.
Babe.
Get out. It's done.
No, babe.
It's done. I don't care for your tears. Cry me a fucking river. Get out. Get out. Did you cry when you was fucking her? I don't give a fuck. Get out. Get out. Every step you take, you gonna keep fucking baby. Get out. I don't give a fuck. Go to her house. That's where you was at in the first place, right? I don't care. Get out. Get out. I don't give a fuck. Get out. Get out. Get out. I don't give a fuck. Take your shit too. Get out. Get off my steps. Down. Get off.
Alright.
Make it quick. I'll kick you down the stairs. There's nothing for you to explain. Get the fuck off my steps. Hurry up, chop, nigga.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm pregnant. I'm currently pregnant. I was attacked. I was attacked by my boyfriend's wife. I'm not feeling well right now.
Hold on. What about you, so you never tell me say you're pregnant?
Well, how stupid do you think I am?
Say, what you talking about? Me just get kicked out of my house because of you.
Okay, and why would I want to get pregnant for you?
Say you're not pregnant.
First of all, you're a jailbird, okay? Welcome home, okay? You're acting like you're not happy to see me. And why, right? If I can't have you, no one else is going to have you.
So I can tell my wife say you're pregnant.
Because she don't want you. I do. I've been here with you from the start. We fucked.
Say you're not pregnant.
Together.
You're not pregnant.
Excuse me, sweetie. I'm talking to you. Did you not see the welcome home party that I threw for you today? Did you see
You get me in trouble for that shit. We're right in the car.
Listen to me.
What?
Listen to me. We fucked. We made videos for OnlyFans. We did a lot of different things. You just.
What you talking about?
You just came home. Why you
Hey.
acting like we're not in this together?
Cut that. Call my wife no and tell my wife say you're not pregnant.
Oh, sweetie, I'm sorry to tell you this, but that's not happening.
You think I joke me and make watch? You think I joke me and make
Oh, no.
You think I joke me and make? I say call my wife no. You think me I laugh with you? Start dial my wife number no and call her. Our number is 212 888 333. Call her no. And tell her say you're not pregnant for me.
Hello. I'm not pregnant, okay? I'm not pregnant for your husband.
Give me phone. Babes, you hear that? A fool she there, a fool about she pregnant. Me can't come back home now? No? Babes, me I carry documents. Me carry documents come. Alright, hold the phone. So now you need to get a doctor and get a doctor form say you're not pregnant. Me I wait for you. Go on. Me I wait for you. Go on. Get up! You can't understand me, come a doctor with you. Come. Come, get up. Come. Get up! I say get up. Get up. Alright. Think I joke in this. Hello?
I'm back.
You have the paper them? Where you there? Your yard? Alright, me a forward. Alright. Can I have the paper? I hope she answered me. This is not fair. Maybe the paper for you.
Okay.
This is a paper shows that she's not pregnant for real. So we can come back in now? But they say you want proof.
Let me look at the paper first, please.
Alright. So we can come back in?
You can come back in,
Yeah.
but you
What?
cannot come upstairs.
So we can come upstairs.
The basement. My new man is upstairs, so
You what?
my new man is upstairs.
So you get man so fast?
Because I can do that. The same we could get her so fast, right?
Alright, me turn downstairs.
Take your probably your future wife's papers.
Alright. I don't in the basement there. You cook? You don't cook now?
I cook for me and my man.
So,
You gotta go find something to eat. Oh, I'm sorry. Go get her to help you cook. Or cook something for you.
Alright.
Oh, the ice cream truck is out there. You wanna go get ice cream? basement, downstairs.
Let me know.
Downstairs. You know the basement is like your man cave. Comfortable as ever. You'll be alright.